Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Sakib Hasantur. I am currently studying at Daffodil International University and I am excited to share a little bit about my background, skills and interest with you. I completed my SSC in 2019 at SOS Harun Medar College, Bogura and my HSC in 2021 from Government Shah Sultan College, also in Bogura. I am proud to say that I achieved a GPA 5 in both examinations. My academic journey has been challenging yet rewarding, and it has taught me the importance of discipline, hard work, and a growth mindset. Technology is my passion, and I have developed my strong skills in programming. I am proficient in Python, Java, C, and C++, which have allowed me to tackle a range of projects and build my problem-solving abilities. Coding feels like solving a puzzle, and I love the challenge of putting all the pieces together to create something meaningful. Along with programming, I have a solid command of Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. These tools are essential for managing information, analyzing data, and presenting my ideas clearly and effectively. I am enjoying exploring Excel's features for organizing data effectively, and I use Word and PowerPoint regularly for creating a professional's reports and presentations. Outside of academics, I enjoy playing football. It is a great way to stay active and it reminds me of the importance of teamwork and strategy. Playing football taught me quick thinking and the value of working together. As I look ahead, I am excited to apply technical skills and passion in a professional environment where I can contribute to innovative projects and continue growing in the field of technology. Thank you for watching my video resume. Assalamu alaikum.